Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this Moto E5 Plus. And guys, it's a review note, as you can see. Hence they have removed the pricing. I don't know the pricing as of now, but I'll leave the info regarding the pricing in the YouTube description area. And as you can see, it says that it's a 3 plus 32 GB variant. That means 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. And the color it says is gold color, and it also says made in India. So let's quickly open this up and have a look. And the biggest thing about this one is that it comes with that 5000 mAh battery. And now Motorola is giving almost a 6-inch screen on this one. So looks like they're concentrating it and making it like a multimedia consumption device. And if you recall, the earlier Moto E series devices used to come with MediaTek chipsets, but this time Motorola has got with the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, which is the Snapdragon 430. So let's quickly open this up and have a look. So here is the device itself, and guys, as you can see, it's having the new screen aspect ratio, that is 18:9, hence it looks really nice. And a case is also pre-installed on this. It's a rubber TPU case. Let's just take this out. This comes out like this. I'll keep this to the side. And first impressions, guys, I thought it would be really heavy, considering it's having a 6-inch screen and a 5000 mAh battery. Yes, it has a slight heft towards it, but it's not very heavy, I would say. The weight balance is done well. And the back also is having this glossy mirror-like finish. It looks like a plastic back. It's not, what do you say, metal, but again, in terms of looks, it's having a nice looks. And we have actually two modules for the rear facing camera, but it's not a dual camera setup. One is a 12 megapixel main camera, and second is actually a laser autofocusing system. And we also get that Motorola dimple over here. And I hope they implemented a fingerprint scanner in this. We'll have a look at it. Let's just peel this screen guard off, and yeah, as you can see, this is the device. We'll come back to the device later. Let's quickly see what else Motorola has given in terms of accessories. So this comes out. We have a SIM ejector tool, some manuals and stuff, even in Hindi. So it says made in India over here. And we're also getting a headset. I didn't expect that they'll bundle a headset. It's ordinary headset, guys, not in-ear style, plastic in nature, completely plastic. But yeah, you're getting a earphone, and it also has a button here to take or end call. So you're getting this, and obviously micro USB cable. It won't have a USB type C, standard micro USB cable, and a power brick. So the rating is 5.2 volts 2 amps charger that you're getting. So not technically a fast charger, but thankfully they at least gave a 2 amp charger, not a 1.5 or a 1 amp charger. Let me keep these things to the side and let's look at the handset now. So here we have the handset itself, and let me first give you a physical overview. Here we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and this exterior is also made up of plastic, guys. This is not metal. And we have the volume rockers, power on off button. They have given good tactile feel, so in build quality at least they're doing a good job. Micro USB port and main microphone, and here we have the slot for your SIM card. Let's open this up and see how they have done that. So good to see a dedicated micro SD card slot and 2 nano SIMs that you can put. So that's a nice thing. Let's put this back, and actually let me actually boot this up. And it also has Motorola branding over here. And by the time it actually boots up and I set this up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Moto E5 Plus is having a 6-inch IPS LCD screen in the 18:9 aspect ratio. It's a 720p HD screen protected by Gorilla Glass. It's powered by the Snapdragon 430 chipset, which is an octa-core processor. It comes with 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it's having a 12 megapixel rear-facing camera with the f2.0 lens and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. It also has a fingerprint scanner and a 5000 mAh battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device, and as you can see, it's already started downloading some stuff. And the good thing again is it's a Motorola device is that almost stock Android experience that you are getting, apart from some third-party apps that are pre-installed, for example, PhonePe, LinkedIn, and others. But apart from that, mostly stock Android experience that you're getting. And it also has some Motorola-specific apps again, like Moto Actions and even Moto Display. Those are Motorola-specific apps. But apart from that, almost stock Android experience that you're getting. And as you can see, it's already downloading some stuff. But let's look at the Android version and other settings that you're getting with this one. If you go over here and if you go to system and if you go to software about this phone, as you can see, it's running on the Android version 8.0. So Oreo out of the box you're getting. Let's also see how much storage is actually left, and looks like out of that 32 GB, just about 6 GB is used, so roughly about 25 gigabytes of space is available to you. But again, as I've mentioned, we can put a dedicated micro SD card on this one, so storage should not be an issue on this smartphone. And if you go to display, we also have adaptive brightness. That means auto brightness sensor is there on this smartphone, so that's actually a nice thing. As you can see, attentive display, it says how it works, it's helping us, Moto Actions and all those things. Let's just go back. And so again, pretty much stock Android experience that you're going to get. If that's the beauty with the Moto phone, so that's what you are getting. And the fingerprint scanner is here in this Motorola logo. Finally, they have implemented that, and let's test that. And as you can see, it is responsive. It takes about half a second, I think, so that's because of the animation. The moment you touch, it gives a haptic feedback, and then it comes. That delay, I think so, is because of the animation that it's trying to do. So responsive fingerprint scanner, as you can see, and I've tried it multiple times and it's working. So that's regarding that. And again, I have to say, for a 5000 milliamp hour device, Motorola has done a good job in terms of weight balance. It does not feel, what do you say, very heavy or top heavy or bottom heavy. So the weight balance has been done well on this one. And it's a 720p HD plus screen, but the screen quality is actually decent with this one. And if we go over here, let's also look at the camera, because the second, it looks like dual camera setup, but indeed it's not a dual camera setup. It's a laser autofocusing system. So the focusing speed should be actually pretty fast. Let's test that. Let's open the camera app and you tap in. I think so, tap to focus, yeah. You can tap in, and yeah, the focusing is fast because of laser autofocus system. So yeah, and you can adjust the exposure. And it also has auto HDR, so this is actually a nice thing. Nice that they implemented in this one also. And these are the other modes that you're getting. Even professional mode they have enabled. Let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually take some camera samples in my office in artificial lighting conditions. So these are some of the sample shots that I've shot with this Moto E5 Plus in my office in artificial lighting conditions. And here are again some of the sample shots taken outdoors. Again, it's an overcast day, but yeah, these are some of the samples taken outdoors. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Moto E5 Plus. Do let me know what do you think about this device, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.